In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find eToro tax documents and statements. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or device. Once you're in, you'll be able to access the settings area where your account documents are stored. After logging in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where eToro keeps many of the important account options, including the area for personal account information and downloadable records. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the menu carefully so you don't miss it. Inside Settings, go to the Account section. This is the part of the platform that contains your core account details, along with access to important document-related options. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Documents section. This area is where eToro organizes reports and statements you may need for your financial records, tax filing, or general account review. When you locate the Documents section, find Tax Reports and click View next to it. This will open the Documents page where your available tax documents are listed. From there, open the tax reports you need. Depending on your account activity and the time period available, you may see one or more documents. It's a good idea to review the report carefully and download a copy for your records if needed, especially during tax season. Once you've accessed your tax documents, return to the Documents section in Account Settings. You'll now repeat a very similar process for your account statements. In the same area, look for Account Statement and click View next to it. This will take you to the Documents page for your statements. From there, open the available account statements. These statements can be useful if you want to review account activity, confirm transactions, or keep a personal archive of your financial records. If you need statements for a specific date range, check the available files carefully so you choose the right one. And that's it. Once you know where the Documents section is, finding both tax reports and account statements on eToro is quick and straightforward. For best results, keep copies of any important documents in a secure folder so they're easy to access later when you need them. Thanks for watching.